Hey there friends, ETPC here, doing a quick tutorial on how to use TubeBuddy to create a thumbnail and a high-res thumbnail at that. Alright, so you want to go to create thumbnail. This is going to be here. And then still frame from video.
Hey friends, today we have a battle with the spiders.
So we're going to try to find the part that looks kind of interesting, and there's this part where the spiders are like touching their little arms together. We're gonna go to that. What about there? Okay, so it depends on your resolution here, how good your resolution here on the little screenshot's gonna be. So if like you record it, if you have it on like 360, it's not going to be as good as if you bump it up to, let's say 4K. Now this is still a little ways away, so if you want to make it more interesting, just hit continue if you get the picture that you want, and then this will be in place. It'll say like lock background, so this doesn't move. So if you click the lock background, then you can drag this. And so what I like to do is just make it bigger like that, and they're upside down, which spiders do, so maybe we'll just like kind of rotate it right side down, side up, or whatever. I don't know, I think it looks better if they're maybe like that, but you can see that it's more it's a pretty good looking thumbnail there, I think. And we might even make it a little bit bigger, get the spiders in there like that. Okay, and then you can add caption if you want, or shapes, whatever you want. I'm just gonna leave it like that, I think, because that looks pretty cool. But yeah, if you could select the highest definition for your video while you're making the picture, I believe it adds clarity to it. If you try to expand it when it's smaller, like 360 or whatever, it's not gonna look as good. Anyways, so I mean, you can see that these people probably used TubeBuddy also and made it even like bigger. So why don't we go back and make our spiders bigger, or just get even more of extreme close-up. There we go. And they put like red lined arrows in there. I think we're just gonna leave it like that. So alrighty, thanks for watching this quick tutorial. Just hit continue, and sure, why not, we'll go save and publish. Alright my friends, so thanks for watching this little thumbnail TubeBuddy thumbnail generator tutorial. Have a great day out there. We'll see you next time.